What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to create LinkedIn banner or the post using the Claude. Even though the Claude doesn't have the built-in tool to create the images like Gemini have Nano Banana or ChatGPT have their own image generation engine. So Claude doesn't do that, and we're just going to prove it in this video. Here you will see that I have given my handsome and super good model sort of a picture over here, and I have asked Claude make this look like best ever profile picture for the LinkedIn. I also create a banner for the LinkedIn that LinkedIn tool first select a color combination and has power as a CEO and then added the picture as also make the banner take my LinkedIn profile as an old example. So I have given it a reference of my LinkedIn profile using the LinkedIn profile URL. So what we're gonna do, we'll go through it, and it told me like these are the ratios that we're gonna work with. So I have asked a question like which power palette feels right for your SEO presence. So I have given the answers. We went with the option obsidian and bloody white. It went through it, added a file, made it, and here were the examples. So this was the profile picture. It wasn't good at all, but it just added it in a way that it looks like it has been color graded, but nothing special. And here is the LinkedIn banner. So the LinkedIn banner does do the job, but it's not that truly amazing thing. But yeah, this is something that we can go with if we're just an immature person or a new B who is working on the LinkedIn. But as a professional CEO, I mean, you guys not going to be working with this one. So yeah, if you're working with LinkedIn and you want to create the banners, use a different module. So the other way around to use it is to go to the connectors and search for like add connector option, and over here you will see Canva. Just install it and then integrate it with your system. Then ask the Canva, for example, type in the prompt and ask the Claude to use Canva connector in order to create all the banners and the profile pictures, and it will work fine for you guys. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Ciao.